Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fake a cut crease if you struggle with doing cut creases like I do. So if you'd like to see more, definitely stay tuned. So I'm starting off with my foundation already done and I'm just baking, and I'll leave the foundation I used down below. But first I'm going to go into my box of crayons eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use the color Tan. This has been my go-to transition color lately because normally when I prime my eyes it kind of washes out my natural color. So I usually like to take Tan and just apply that above my crease and just add a little color back into my eyelid. Then I'm going to go back into that same palette and I'm going to use the color Brown, and I'm just going to start working that into my crease. Normally when I put colors in my crease, I kind of just build them up until I get the desired color payoff that I want. So I'm just taking my time and slowly working that brown into my crease from my outer corner all the way into my inner corner. And then once I do that, I'm going to go to that outer corner and start working that brown color into about halfway of my eyelid. Next, going into my BH Cosmetic Solar Flare eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the color Beam, and I'm just going to start packing that over my mobile lid. So ideally, this is very similar to how you would do a cut crease, however, I just didn't apply the concealer. So I'm still basically carving out my eyelid, but I'm doing it with just eyeshadow palette. I struggle with cut creases. I just don't have a very steady hand, so whenever I try to carve out my lid with concealer, I just fail every time. But using a dark color and then just taking a lighter eyeshadow to kind of carve out your eyelid, it automatically kind of gives you that appearance of a cut crease. And I really love this Solar Flare palette, but this specific color that I used is a bit chalky, so I'm just packing it on and trying to get an even finish. And I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush just to kind of carve out my eyelid as much as possible. And then I'm going to go back into that brown and just kind of blend it into that shimmery color that I placed over my lid. Just the eyeshadows, it already kind of has the cut crease appearance, but next I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics eyeshadow topper. I'll leave the color down below, but I'm going to take a fine eyeliner pen, bear with me with the focus, and basically I'm just going to outline where the crease is. And so this is just going to clean up the fake cut crease a little more and just kind of give it more definition. So normally when you apply the concealer first, that's what gives you that really sharp cut, but since I did not apply the concealer, this glitter eyeshadow topper is basically giving me that cut crease definition that would have been created with the concealer. And then after I apply that, I'm just going to go in with some more of that eyeshadow and just clean up any areas that need to be kind of fixed. Next, I'm going to just go in with some gel eyeliner and just do a quick little wing liner. Then I'm going to apply these BH Cosmetic lashes that I have pretty much ran into the ground. Do not judge me. They are very raggedy, but I'm going to keep wearing them until I can't wear them no more. But yeah, I'm applying a little bit of mascara, and then I'm just going to pop those lashes onto my eyelid. I rarely do my lashes on camera because I like to take my time with doing it, but I did get a comment and someone kind of asked me to, you know, show how I apply my lashes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's a bunch of eyelash tutorials on YouTube, and I just kind of learned from watching those videos. The best trick is to make sure that your glue is tacky before trying to put it on. That's like the best trick that I can give you. But now those are my eyes, and I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face. So I'm going in with this black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to do some light bronzing. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face using this ColourPop setting powder. I think this is deep dark, whatever, I can't think of the name. It'll be down below as usual. For highlight, I'm going to use the Crayon Case highlighter in Anglowla and just pop that onto my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to go in with NARS Albatross, y'all know, old school, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner, and then I'm also going to apply a little bit to my cheekbones. Now I'm going to go back to my eyes and use that brown eyeshadow and just smoke out my bottom lash line, and then I'm going to add some white concealer to my waterline. I've been loving white concealer. This is not even white concealer. Oh, white eyeliner. I've been loving it in my waterline this summer, so yeah, I'm just adding some of that to my waterline, and then I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. I have a really bad habit of trying to film makeup tutorials when I have somewhere to be, so this lip portion was kind of rushed, but I do have a whole video dedicated to my favorite nude lip glosses, and I couldn't see what I applied here. I think it's Max Snob, most likely that's what it was, but yeah, check out my video on all my nude lip glosses, and it was one of those ones that I used in that video. But yeah, this is the final look. I actually really like this look. I think this may be my new go-to makeup. It's very neutral, but it still has a nice little pop. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!